Hello friends, today I'm going to show you guys how to cook pasta. It just takes 7 to 10 minutes. Soft and al dente texture pasta. All you need 2 cup pasta, 4 cup water, 1 teaspoon salt. Before that guys, please click that like, share and subscribe button, the red button. Today I'm using Insignia pot. So the instruction had written there you needed 2 cup pasta and double amount of water. So I'm going to use 2 cup pasta and 4 cup water
and 1 teaspoon salt
for 7 minutes. If you don't have the right measurement, you always can use your fingertip to measure the water level. Now I put the pressure on and the setting, manual setting, and I'm putting for 7 minutes and press start. After 7 minutes the pasta is ready guys. See, perfect pasta guys. Keep it ready, cook pasta in your fridge, and it's become very handy during the weekdays. This pasta only take 5 minutes to make. I'm putting the link in the below. Click that red button to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.